I don't see anything here. 2 o'clock, I think, is FOMC. So we're gonna tread very lightly if we're gonna trade in that. One second. Gotta get some. Yep. Valid trades. What do you mean I'm back? Where'd you go? Did I start stream? We're kind of just chilling and whatever. I just got back on. We traded this morning, and then FOMC meeting starts now, so I don't want to be going in too crazy. I say higher, I'm looking for an entry. If I get no entry at 2:30, I'm out until tomorrow. Yeah, the meeting's on right now, so we'll have to see what's being said. We can't just jump the gun here. Really weird. From past meetings giving bearish sentiment, however, my technical is giving me bullish. It's wild. So I'm thinking they need to be bearish. If they're bearish and then they go with a lower interest rate, like a shocker, do you know how awesome that would be? Just to the upside. So I don't know. I feel like it needs to do the opposite of what they want. It's weird. Really weird. So it probably is all mixed, the emotions on this. But we're trying to be smart, not oh, the music's loud? Turn it down a little bit. Is that better, the music? take a look what's going on. I'll check the TikTok on my end too. Whoa. Whoa. Mic check.
Mic check.
I don't think so. It's not showing me bullish or bearish here. And I don't really see anything else. Probably gonna continue up. I'm not sure yet. Hey, sad boy crab. Sorry, I didn't see you. I gotta make this bigger. Doesn't look like. Oh, okay. Almost all participants commented on the risk that inflation could prove more persistent than expected. Participants saw uncertainty about their economic outlooks as usually elevated. Fed minutes staff projection for 25 to 26 was weaker than their estimate at the March meeting. Some participants commented on changes in typical correlations across assets. Yada, yada, yada. The committee voted to renew dollar and foreign currency swap lines. Okay. Staff cited tariff policies as implying a larger drag on activity than policies they had assumed in their prior forecast. So honestly, nothing but crap. I knew this was going to break up. So we got to see if it touches this line up here. Then we might short it. And it's going to be for a quick scalp. I need to be overextended though, like up here. $21.5, you're saying? Oh yeah, right here. It didn't hit yet. I needed to break through and then come back down. Technically, this will be fair value gap, right? If it is, we need to break. I need to learn that a little better. Look at all these fucking... These are all support areas. Insane. These greens. Yeah, it didn't extend the way I wanted it to. But sometimes in these instances with this Trump market, it just keeps going. Like way further than you ever expected. 21.5, 2 p.m. Oh, here? Yeah, on my pullback zone indicator, that's where it told me to get in, but it's too close to the meeting, so I wanted to wait. And this looks like a grind fest, so I'm not too confident in a reverse here. This might continue up.
Order filled.
Very small, very small. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong.
Order filled.
I feel like it's just gonna continue. It's gonna do one of these weird ones that we've been seeing all week. Where it just stays in the fucking... I gotta see how to figure it out though. Could be wrong. Trying to find it. Might have to wait a little bit more to see. That might be it right there. Hey, if you guys aren't following me, give me a follow. Help me out. Help a brother out. So break above this should send it up. Just trying to find where this trend line is. I don't know yet. Could be here or it could be something like this. We're only in one contract, so I don't care. Alright, we're right down on that trend line, so let's see what happens. But I can't tell if it's this or that. We're just filling in that gap, right?
Order filled.
I don't know, maybe I got in too early. Maybe I got in too early. So this is like extending in both directions. So most likely this is it then. If I can't hold this, then it's fucked. Fucker. That's what happens when you trade during the meeting. Now they're going really doom and gloom right now.
Order filled.
Doom and gloom. Hope it's not the bigger fucking one. I'm gonna sit out of here. Yeah. It's okay. We're in pretty small, so. But you can see that the pattern completely just got fucked.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Showed bullish, completely rejected again. Interesting. Interesting. So it's rejecting into the 5 again. This should go back up. It's trying to maintain it. Just getting squarely, that's all. Should go back up. 5 minutes probably what we really have to watch here. There you go. And it broke above. We should be good. We're Gucci. Alright, I knew I just needed to zoom out a little bit to find it. That's all. I think we found it. Now, in a bigger time frame, we should see where this pullback zone is. Let's see. We have to be careful. This 512s. And then, what's the 50? $4.95, exactly where it fucking reversed. But I think it wants to continue up a little bit. Pull back, bounce, break above. Might want to just come back just a little bit. We just do the 30 second. Right it back into the zone and should start popping back up again. Should start popping. Do do do. How you guys doing on your trades today? Are you guys up or no? There you go. There's fucking daddy. Should break above this and continue. We just don't know if it's going to stop right here or up there. That's what scares me. Let's get out like one or two here. But I feel like it wants to revisit this area one more time, so I'm like, meh. Why are they fighting that much? Are they almost done talking? Pontoon, right? We're almost at that break. It's all about that bass. About that bass.
Order filled.
Oh, daddy. Daddy, would you like some sausage? I feel like it wants to continue, but it's going to be a battle for a second. Just kind of waiting, guys. It's not moving very fast. I think I'm right. Guess we just have to see I mean, I don't see any more news. Which one, man? I mean, we have all the supports below now. So we're definitely in a nice uptrend, but it could keep pulling back to continue up. Crisscross, motherfucking applesauce.
Order filled.
Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Oh. Might turn around though.
Order filled.
So most likely, you see this pattern here? Most likely it's gonna rip up above, collect, and then dump.
Order
So we
filled.
definitely gotta watch. So it's like a pennant. So it starts to continue up. Eventually it'll rip up and then it'll probably crack back down. Gets real tight to the upside. My top step's about to fill too. There we go. A little bit higher, I was hoping. Alright, we're gonna get out of that
Order
because
filled.
I don't know.
Order filled.
I don't know. But it still was a nice trade. We did get up way too early up here. It looked like it wanted to, and then I kind of zoomed out and said, okay, I see the pattern now, so back. But this might want to start continuing back down. I'm not sure yet. Not sure. Could be something like this too. It's hard to pinpoint them exactly, guys. So.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just one contract. It's like every one I fucking get in is the one that breaks. If this closes below, no good. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It's alright. Fucking rip right back up. Come on. It's getting hard. It's getting harder here. Dashboard. Right back up. What a bitch. What a bitch. One of the best ways to lose money: ladies, liquor, and leverage. Leverage for sure. That was such a nice pullback, and now it's trying to bounce down. Most likely wants to get down here. But let's see if it comes up a little bit higher.
Filled.
Order filled.
You might want to touch this again. I'm not sure where the exact pinpoints are, but
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
hey. I know it's small, but still a winner. Now we could.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Do a little bounce play here.
Order filled.
Little bounce. Looks like it doesn't want to bounce though.
Order filled.
New low break, see if it bounces up for
Order filled.
Did I miss something in the news? Jeez, right to the 61s. Jeez, oh Louise.
Order filled.
Is this gonna waterfall? Am I missing something? What the fuck? What is happening? Fuck you, Top Step, for not fucking updating. I don't know. I don't know. Anybody? Anybody? That was 100 points in like a couple minutes. Break above here.
Order filled.
That was a risky one. I'm not too sure I was comfortable with that hold, but what do you say? Yeah, I'm trading the NASDAQ. was pretty wild. Why isn't Top Step X? I might have to zoom out here. I don't know what the fuck. Broke this low. Fucking Powell. Is he speaking still? I thought they were done. Come on. Just rip back up. I don't like when this shit happens. I feel like I'm gambling. I don't want to gamble. I don't like the feeling of that. I want to be right, not gambling. I don't know either. It might have just been a fucking sick liquidity grab. All this. Picture how many people were in here and it just went wiped out. That probably wiped out a lot of fucking people. And now we're going to rip back up. I need this to swipe up real quick though. Top Step isn't showing any updated news. The yellow boxes are pullback zones of resistance. So we're in nothing but resistance right now, so we have to be careful.
Order filled.
Okay. Now I feel a little bit more comfortable. That still sucked. Definitely didn't want to be in that. Need you to go up just a little fucking more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right. We got back all their profit and a little more. That was kind of lucky. The FOMC meeting was at 2. Nobody else except somebody speaks at 16, but I'm not getting any updates on my Top Step X, so I don't think there's anybody else speaking. Let's look at the 5. So we're right back into that area. This is really hard to trade right now. I don't know what to do, except that this is an area of interest to the back to the downside. And it's finally broke a low. So we're getting this bear 3 here. We could try
Order
1.
filled.
Order filled.
Maybe we'll get back into this area here. It's probably still risky even after all that talking. So remember, Trump's markets love these V shapes. Love these V shapes, so we have to be careful. But I think it needs to pull back just a little bit again, because it went back up almost 80 points in 5 minutes. That's some wild shit. Did any of you guys get stuck in that? I was thankful it didn't panic, and I didn't size up too high in the beginning. I already know that that they were speaking, but I still had a little bit more size than I would like. Okay, so I'm not sure what you're asking. Say I went negative $50. Does that mean I owe $50 or I'm just at 0? Some banks, depending on what you're trading, will make you pay that $50. But it all depends. It really does. I know, like, when the banks crashed with that Swedish thing, like 10, 15 years ago, they made some people pay, but then the government just bailed them out because it was over billions of dollars. Yeah, it depends on who you're trading with. Oh, you never traded before? First, I would practice and learn what the F you're doing. research, you can join my Discord. I have some free stuff in there. And then after you learn a bit, you can open up prop firms. You can start, like right now, Apex has 90% off, which is like $17 for a 50K account. So you get a 50K account, and then you have to prove to them that you're worthy to trade. Thanks for the follow. Discord's in my bio. But learn as much as you can. And then start with prop firms. Creativate. Yeah, if you go to my Discord, a beginner no knowledge section, there's about 15 videos. Just watch them all. It's gonna take you time to learn. Don't expect to learn this overnight. Wow, this is insane pull up again. This is how these are V-shaped shits that fucking that I was talking about. So I wonder if it was an A, B, C, right? And now this is gonna be the rip up.
Order filled.
I don't want to average too much into this. Fucking hate when it's extended like this. All eyes on Nvidia. Yeah, today's like huge news for Nvidia, right? If the interest rate's lower with that Nvidia, we're booming. This is fucking bananas. There's no rhyme or reason for this, is there? Just trying to see if there's any news. That's like doing this. I think it's just the market makers ripping it back and forth now. 'Cause I don't see shit. Broke above. Flag. This is crazy overextended. It's already up another 25 points past. Insane. Welcome to Trump's world. Beginner, no knowledge section. It's gonna take you a while, dude, so don't get frustrated. It's better to learn than lose money in the beginning, you know what I mean? And my Discord is everything's set up, but just my Discord's gonna take a minute to grow. I guess eventually I want to make my own course, but you know how much fucking work that is? And I'm like, there's so much good knowledge on YouTube. You think so, Trader Joe? This is fucking bananas. Bananas in pajamas. Wow, why the fuck I started singing that? Am I fucking old? Alright, right to the top of this. Bananas. bananas in pajamas. This is bananas. Literally.
Order filled.
That was my top step. I'm adding into that one. We'll do one more there.
Order filled.
3. Honestly, like, I'm okay with just breaking even on this shit. It's the only thing I could think of right here. It just came, love tapped it, and now we're rejecting. Wow, look at this pullback zone, though, on this fucking rip. You think it's going to hit that? I don't think it'll hit that. Who the fuck knows? It just went, let's see, 400 to 500. Yeah, that's going to be hard to trade. When is it released? Is it at 4 exactly or no? I mean 4 or 5. Thanks for the follow. Earnings. HP, it's a pretty big one. Nvidia, 420. Bro, this is insane. So most likely this is C, but oh no, I did that wrong. You know what I meant. B, C. Fuck, can I click on it? Like this, and now if we were to do Elliott waves on this, 1, 2, there's gonna be 3, 4, 5, and then it needs a pullback. It says 420. Nvidia, Eastern. Right here, it's HP, which is huge too, and then you got 20. So there's gonna be a lot of tech shit coming out. A lot today. Yeah, I have no idea. Futures will gap. You're correct. Regardless on what direction. Nvidia sometimes overreacts though, but it does usually continue in the direction it goes after like the good minute or two. Thanks for the follow. So we'll have to see. Kind of want to move to North Carolina, see from the NC. This might just fucking do whatever the fuck it wants, buddy. I mean, I would say this is out. So, oof, Gap City down, fucker.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It's probably gonna hit to this 444s. I kind of want a short one though.
Order filled.
Woo, Jesus, bro. If you're like, oh wow, it's completely broken out of the structure and this fucking rips up. It's kind of funny. That is wild. You're like, oh, it broke out of the structure. Let's go back up 35 points. Maybe it's best just not to trade it. Oh yeah, you would erase that 2% instantly. Most likely there is insider trading, and you'll see it start to dwindle off in a different, like a sideways movement. So if you think about it, it's been going sideways, so it might be bad earnings. Yeah, it's still a gamble. A gamble I would not like to take unless you literally just had like some options money and just say fuck it. Just, hey, I'm ready to lose this $100. Now this is an old zone here. It didn't update yet. So it needs to break through this.
Order filled.
Now most likely, no, there's just not enough points here to see where that trend line will be to break. I have no idea. So now I'm just gonna do just straight up pullback. I'm okay if the range doesn't exist. We actually strive on direction. But if it is going to be a range, I'm okay with that too, because I got a method for that too. The problem is it's been range, Rip City down, pullback, range. It's been like everything all within like minutes, so it's very hard recently. But we've been sizing down and trying to adapt to it. We've been doing all right. Like, I just needed to do one thing. If it wants to chop around, I'm fine with it. Just give me a little bit longer time frame with the chop. Like, this was a little bit difficult because it was like, hey, it wouldn't decide in the chop. But we still did okay here. I've been trying to take it slowly. I haven't had a payout in a while. I was due for one, but I kind of gave some of it back. But we're doing it nice and slow. We're trying to take Profit Trader. There's a 150k count. So we're just trying to be more slower about it. Because if I just go a little slower, I'll be able to get payouts easily. Not slower, like less size. Old range is holding up here. I'm trying to see where this is from. I don't even know. I gotta get rid of some of shit. It's too much. Alright, Trader Joe. Later. Good luck to you too. We're at that 50%. There's a lot of fighting here. I don't have a bias at all. Right now it's short. I'm short right now. And I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame. Today's earnings could be anything. I have no clue. And then in a longer term, like, you know, a couple months, I'm very bullish though. But we don't trade. I don't trade long term. I only do shorts. Short term. All right, this is fighting here. So it's either needs to break this or we're fucked. It's going to go the other way. Right now I'm in shorts. And I'm looking for 445 on NQ. But it needs to break this pullback zone for my indicator. This yellow to come down. It's pretty strong here, so I'm getting a little nervous. This is like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time it tried to break it. Seventh time. you guys think? Think it would be dead? You mean like movement period? This is extremely dead though. There's our final. Oh, we haven't had a short once. Holy fuck. We had all these shorts and they actually paid off, but there was really choppiness. If this sticks, that'd be cool. Just came out of the blue. It's like, hey guys, don't forget about me. But it's still later on in the day. It could easily rip up. Hey, I just came out to play. Here it is. It's probably now or never. It's not fucking holding. You know, we can see if this turns oversold and then we'll get out. It's probably love tapping this and then it'll drop. Or it's just liquidity grabbing and it's gonna say fuck you. So this is the zone. This is the problem. If you guys are just tuning in. It just didn't update, I don't think yet. So it's from here to here, but it's still a resistance area. So for this indicator, the yellow is the smaller one pullbacks. Blue is the larger ones. So we're right in this area. That's why it's fighting it like a motherfucker. So it's good start launching back up, but we already broke it before, so it's kind of throwing me off. Jeez Louise. Let's see. Good bounce off of that. Hey, if you guys are watching me and you're not subscribed, help me out. Follow me. I do have a free Discord. Also has some free help in there. And also, if you're curious in these indicators I'm using, you can try them out for a 30-day trial. Just join my Discord, and in the VIP section, I'll tell you how to get it. After the 30 days, it is about $1 a day. So, 30 days, $30. No pressure. But you can join my Discord and give me a follow. This looks like it wants to fucking break, guys. Wonder if I should just do it here, like I normally was. 445. 445 to zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. I forget the rest. Two 45, two zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. You can go to the park after dark. Smoke that tumbleweed. You're thinking 331s? 431s? I would fucking love that too. I'm scared. It's gonna go right back up. Come right back down. I think we're gonna get a drop soon though. I think it's getting heavy right about now. Here's your short. It's got to stick though. It's got 50 seconds. Fiddy, Fiddy, Fiddy. Fiddy seconds. 30 seconds now. It should start to get a little heavier now. Wow. Wowzer. There's 10 seconds left in that candle. And it's going to rip up a little bit. Just not ready to commit. $20 seconds in this one candle. Thanks for the follow, Mr. David. I mean, I think the 440s is probably that 78%. This thing's fucking fighting, boys. this thing is just intertwining. It doesn't repaint. It just needs the candle to close. You know what it's doing? This. Come on, Daddy.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right. Top step X filled. Trade of 8 filled. We're all good, right? There it goes without me. You fat bastard, you were right. You were right. Good job. Right into this order area, I'm assuming. Did it hit your mark? 429s. Alright, dude. Good job. What were you making you aim down here? Is it the order block thing? Whatever the fuck it was. Can actually hit 425s to be honest with you. And now it might pull back up and then rip back down. see. We could see 417s if we lose this. Yeah. 408s. Oh shit! Look at you. I'm really thinking that it probably wants to take this out a little bit. We're in a much bigger pattern right now. Much bigger pattern, and I don't know what it is. I just don't know. This is MNQ. This is futures. I'm trying to see what's going to happen next. We don't know if it's going to just completely reverse here, do a pattern, or do a liquidity grab. Whatever it is, I'm not going to trade too heavy. We're over 1,000 today, but this is pretty choppy. But if I would have listened to my indicator, I would have got out right here. 423. Oh, you're gonna? I'll grab the 417 if we hit it. I don't know. I would rather it spike down a little bit, come back up, and then we go. You're in? I'm not in yet. Not for this. It's not holding my yellow thing yet. Still got 8 seconds left. If it starts breaking below this, then we're probably going to scrape down, and then we can look for the upside. You could be right, but I'm just not seeing my opportunity to get in. Fat bastard in for a long, right? not sure yet. I mean, I'm looking for a long if it goes below that spike. But it could be the waterfall. Could be the waterfall. Again, there's one of those shorts, but it needs a break below that. I'm not too confident in that yet. Back up. That was a good call. It might come back down, so be careful.
Order filled.
It's just gonna be a scalp. Nothing crazy here. Because it is a little bit mixed signals.
Order filled.
Boom. This is what I was looking for. I need a little bit longer though, lower though. There you go. I don't want to get in just yet. Oh, it's a huge candle.
Order filled.
Jeez. That might have been like a buy or bonds.
Order filled.
You're kidding me. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, you didn't buy it? Yeah, this was my original theory that it was gonna break this low, at least break the low, and then we can decide if we want to go long or short. And I just did the little
Order
little
filled.
bounce profit there. That's it. But now we gotta see how this reacts. If it comes back up, then we'll see if it wants to go. But this looks a little heavy still, so we gotta wait. Still gotta wait. I was able to catch that, but didn't know it was gonna go that far. So I caught both ways, on the downside and the up. Alright, so this is not looking to go up yet, guys. There you go. There you go. Oh, I missed that short. Fuck. So let's see why I have this line here. I have no fucking clue. Oh boy. I hate when I have these things on.
Order filled.
Order filled.
More of a risk bounce. Very small.
Order filled.
Look, it wants to go up a little more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Got one. I'm okay
Order
with
filled.
$15. Who's the fucking guy, bruh? So we're up 400 on Top Step X and 692. Taking it slow and steady, nothing crazy. Alright, we just tapped it. Let's see if it's going to go up more now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ooh, like it wants to rip up. Ooh, that's going back down. I fucked that up. Did I fuck it up? I might. Might be my first fuck up here. So if this is going down, you think NVIDIA is already leaked out? Sorry, I had a phone call. Man. That sucks. I feel like it was like leaked. I did think that was gonna pop back up. Looked, it started ripping. Pulled back instantly. Now, depending on where this closes, might not be good. might be wrong. I think I'm okay with like getting break even on these. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen here. I thought it was gonna break above, but now we're like in the zone again. This could fall again, so I don't know. Whatever it is, I don't want to be in it if it fucking starts falling. We're at 4:02. So we got what, 18 minutes left? If you guys can that are in here, just give me a couple love taps. Let's boost this up for this when the price comes in. Sweep down, break up. This needs to go higher. Dang, I'm thinking it's leaked. Either that, they're letting it go down, and then they're gonna buy it. That's the problem. You don't fucking know with these sneaky bastards. Because what if they're just leaking it down? They know it is. I mean, they're bringing it down because they know it's good, and they're buying it down here just to benefit the rip. Or they're secretly getting out because they know that it's gonna be bad. So it's like, pick your poison there. Pick your poison. Insider trading, yeah. But it's like both ways, you know? This could mean that they already know there's gonna be bad earnings, or they know it's gonna be amazing earnings. Let's get out now, buy dip, and make fucking $10 billion as it rips up. So I feel like this was just a stupid liquidity grab. I was right here, and now we're back into that zone. Yeah, it's probably what's gonna happen to me. I kind of want to just get out of this because I'm nervous. But now I'm like thinking this is gonna rip up. This is what I was originally waiting for. I just maybe got in too soon. This is just a little bit more, and now we're gonna rip up. Breaking above the cloud. take profit too soon again. No, this is a hard time right now, man. This is a hard time. I don't know what it's gonna do. But we did break above. Let's see where the 5-minute cloud is. Oh, yeah, we got some time. 403s. But I also don't want to be holding that shit when all this other stuff cards coming out. Everything's basically at 6:15. Okay, so we got time. We got time. This is pretty big HP, and then 1620 for Nvidia shares. Okay, we're oversold. Overbought. But I don't think it gives a fuck. So depending on this candle, we're gonna see if this is a fair value gap, dude. If this becomes a fair value gap, the next one, we're moving. We're moving. I'm starting to think it's bullish. It might be what I fucking thought it was, guys. This is just a trap to get in lower and for the rip up. It's what it seems like now. The way that these candles look. $420, right? Oh no. Wait. 15 is when it really starts, and then 20 is when that comes out. It might not even move until then. But we need this candle to be just a little bit bigger. If it comes up here, it's going to be perfect size. Then we have this fair value gap here too, right? But we don't care about those, in my opinion. If this is a bottom and it comes up, then we come back down and retouch. That's what I'm more interested in. All right, it's open.
Closed.
Oh wait, I gotta fucking close
Order
my.
rejected.
Close my
Order
fucking
rejected.
order, Top Step X.
Order rejected.
I forgot that closes that soon. Close it.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I'm so scared. Why are you doing this? Can I go to their website?
Order filled.
Oh. I still fucking didn't get the win on that. That was really stupid. I was like $30 in profit there. It came all the way back. That was for Top Step X. Oh yeah, I'm good. It was my take profit. I have Top Step X on. I'm another chart. I mean screen, and I had my price, my shit open. All right, we just glove tapped right into this. And that was a prior. That was a prior fair value gap I saw before. And I thought it was going to rip up. It didn't hold, but now we're kind of doing it again. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to hold this, guys. Into it. What do you guys think? I don't think it's worth the risk. Man, that top step X shit pisses me off. Number 3 minutes is gonna go off. That's HP. And then it's NVIDIA. Wow, there's a lot of actual legit fair value gaps here. Does that make sense? Broke these lows. Finally got the rip up. We have a fair value gap here. Just touched it, and now we should continue up. This is a short here, but it's invalid because price closed above the cloud. This is a warning system. Hey, something's not right. So we don't take these shorts. Invalid. This one would have been a loss, though, unfortunately. You had a shit ton of winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners, 1 loss on it. So not too bad. I'm like so fucking tempted to just hold it. But I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know if I should risk it. Are you guys gonna open an order and hold it? You know what? I should open my Apex and then go there. You're right. I just read your comment. I'm not gonna be able to get it in time. Maybe I can.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna switch over. Come on. I don't have time for this. Don't have time to do this other shit. Fuck you. Trade bait. Speed demon it. Speed demon it. Again, it wants me to update my fucking trading view option. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We're almost in. Add-ons. Trade view. Activate. Account. Back to trading view. Connect. We're in. We're fucking in. Four?
Order filled.
Think four is enough? Oh, I got nobody in here? I'm sad now. Did you guys leave me as I was changing?
Order filled.
Let's see. We're gonna see. Oof. Did it fucking beat it or not? Oh yeah. I need this to continue up. I still don't see the results though. So that was a gamble trade, and it paid off. Should continue to go in that direction for a bit. It usually does. That was a really good one.
Order filled.
Hopefully it keeps going up. It usually does trail up once earnings are good. It usually will continue. For at least a little bit, and then it'll just level off to the side and drift away. See what the next earnings are, just in case there's some juggernaut. Nordsum's a little bit big. In 10 minutes. 2 minutes. It'll probably show if it's gonna be Rip City up again. You left me, you fat bastard. You didn't think I was gonna get it up in time, huh? Did you get in on it? I wanted to see if it will continue. Oh, I thought the revenue beat it. It didn't beat it? It was hard to fucking read, to be honest with you. Yeah, it was up 1K. I'm letting it sit a little bit. And this is the gamble, just a new Apex account. It's 4:30, so yeah, that was manipulation at its finest right there. I thought some of it was good news. That's why it was throwing me off. Nordson looks like it beat it. Yeah, they flushed then ball. I didn't want to go too many contracts. I was waiting for that flush. But as soon as I started ripping up, I'm like, yep, this is going up. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of information coming out right here. Salesforce raises fiscal year sales outlook after 1Q beat. Ooh, that's very fucking bullish. Very bullish. We needed to break above here though to continue. Why just got a violation? Fake engagement policy. Needed to break through this. This is the 78%. So if it doesn't, then Bastard, what do you think you would get out of this? I'm not even sure. I know it likes to grind usually the rest of the day if it's good news. Oh, NVIDIA sales are soaring because of the AI chips. Dude, it's insane what they could do now. It's insane. Woof. Damn. I want to hold it to here, to be honest with you. What would that be? 500s? 485? We're at it right now. This goes to 500. I don't think I've ever really passed a yeah, no, I have. It's just pretty sweet to pass an account challenge in one trade. Damn, good call, right at that fucking area. 512s. That's what I'm looking for. right here. Where is it? Rip up. Rip up. There you go, Daddy. There you go. Bow, bow, bow. Bring it on home, baby. It's either gonna squeeze through here or it's gonna get rejected hard. What do you guys think? It's already overbought. Let me take Profit Trader. I think. Oh no, that was the wrong one. M and Q.
Order
Okay,
filled.
we're gonna exit the Take Profit Trader. Just a little bit more, motherfucker. Just a little bit more. Might even fucking just rip up a little more if it comes up. 515s. This is scary. Man, it's rejecting. I don't know. Let's sell 4.
Order filled.
So we locked in 800. Good is starting to show some resilience here. And we are just over 500, so maybe it's going to come right back down. I'm not sure. Nope. I'm gonna get out pretty close to my fucking area regardless, right? So that was a wonderful trade. Wonderful trade. And look, you see how I had that fair value gap there before? It actually respected the piss out of it. Went right down, said no, we gotta come back for this. Very, very interesting. Pretty fucking fun. So that was an Apex challenge, so I didn't give a fuck. So I went 8 contracts. I kind of wish I went more, right? Could have got that fucking easily. I feel like this wants to continue up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I should have waited a little longer. It's okay. I'm pretty fucking cool with that extra shit. 506. I feel like it's gonna keep doing this.
Order filled.
Somebody's screaming right
filled.
now, by the way. Whoever shorted this is like, come on, come right back down, come right back down. There's only 9 minutes left. So I'm not going to count Apex as my profit because that was a gamble, but we are up. We're up 8, 9, 10, 11, 1150, 1200 almost. Well, not too bad for a day. Damn, this thing is fucking strong. I wanted to pull back and then I'll get in real quick. See if I can get some money. It's only 8 minutes left though. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Can you imagine? I don't think it's done yet. I don't think it's done yet.
Order filled. Order filled.
I need $200 more. It definitely wants to rip up more, but I don't want to. We're fucking pushing it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Buy the dips, sell into the rips, motherfuckers. All right, that was our target for me. Maybe it might spike up a little bit over, but oh, you're looking for 512, right? Fuck. Did it hit? It didn't hit. You still think it's gonna go 512s?
Order filled. Order filled.
4:56. Be careful of your time. Rip up, baby.
Order filled. Order filled.
Boom. Hit your spot, bro. Nice. Nice. Oof. This is what I wanted. The bottom of that trend line just continued over. That was bananas. Three minutes left. I don't think I'm gonna take any more now. It's getting too close. Oof, fuck. Just went over the top here, so it could come back down. Insane in the brain. Yeah, that was fucking nice. Made almost $1,900 on this fucking last couple minutes. I mean, it was a challenge though, so I can't count that. But my regular counts 782 and 385.98, so not too bad of a day. Not too bad. This thing just keeps ripping. It's gonna be 5 o'clock. It's gonna go right into the end. Holy shit. We got 40 seconds left. Me too. I just like get nervous because like, you know, it usually dies. Probably gonna hit this fucking trend line here. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Close into a bull. I wonder what fucking 6 o'clock's gonna be like. We're gonna gap up. Pretty interesting. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off for the day. Very fucking beautiful day of trading, to be honest with you. We did really good today. We stayed patient. We didn't fuck anything up. We were just doing our thing. If you're not following me, help me out. Give me a follow. Like like my video. Join my Discord if you want. It's in the description. We're building up slowly. We're getting there. We're over 125 people. I need to get over 1,000. But we'll get there. It takes time. Alright, fat bastard. Good trading with you, bro. I'll be on tomorrow. But yeah, help me out. Give me a follow. I'll be on tomorrow. During New York Open, 9:30 a.m. Let's see, I just went Discord, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. If you guys are curious, in my indicators, they're in the VIP section in Discord. There's a 30-day free trial. If you don't like it, you can cancel before the 30 days. If not, equals to about $1 a day, $30 for the month. Pretty fucking cheap in my opinion. So we did pretty good today. Yes, we get payouts. It has been a rough past couple weeks. As you guys know, if you're real traders, you know exactly what the hell I'm talking about. I wonder what crypto's doing with all this movement. Just updating my Discord event. Show that I'm gonna be live. Live day trading futures. I'll link the Discord in there. Today was a motherfucking good day. Alright guys, I'm out. I'll be on later. Maybe I might hop on tonight. I'm not sure yet. But if I do, I'll let you guys know. Adios.